Hi everyone, Chef Sachin this side from the iconic kitchens of Dhaba at the Claridges, New Delhi. So today we are doing a pre-partition dish, that is Shab Deg. So the Shab Deg is a Persian dish that has originated from there. So it's basically a winter dish made out of mutton and turnips. So let's get started in making the dish. So I have taken 200 grams of minced mutton. I'm adding 15 grams chopped onions, a teaspoon good of ginger, half a teaspoon of green chilies, taste again to salt, some degi mirchi, a little bit of garam masala, again 10 grams of dhania powder. To give this a little binding, I am adding 1 egg to it, along with 2 tablespoons of roasted chana powder in it. So now what I'll do is I'll mix it very well. So once the mixture is done, I'm going to use my hands to make balls out of it, very similar to a meatball that we make, something like this. So I have taken a pan, I'm adding 60 ml of mustard oil to it. I just want a nice and brown crust on the top. So we are not cooking it fully, we are just doing 50% of the cooking here. So that rest, when we put this in our gravy, it can absorb the flavor from the gravy. So for the gravy, I have taken a preheated pan. I am adding again 30 ml of mustard oil to it. So my oil has heated up, so I am adding 2-3 cloves, couple of big cardamom, some green cardamom to it. Now I will let it splitter. So I am adding my marinated lamb chops. So for the marinade, I have just put some degi chili, some salt to it. So as you can see, our meat has charred now. So we'll add a little bit of ginger garlic paste to it. So we'll add 20 grams of ginger garlic paste to it. Once the oil has separated from the ginger garlic paste, we're going to add 5 grams of turmeric, 15 grams of coriander powder, salt again to taste, again a good teaspoon of 15 grams of degi chili to it, half a teaspoon garam masala to it. We'll add a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. So what I have done here is I have made a paste out of brown onion and brown garlic. So I am doing 45 grams of this paste in the curry. Give it a good mix. So now I am adding 200 ml of water in it. So I will let it simmer for a while now. We'll add 100 grams of turnips to it. So it's a winter dish, so turnips are a necessity. So while the gravy is simmering, let's talk a little bit of history about what Shab Deg is. So when the Emperor Jahangir was exploring the regions of Kashmir, so he saw there were shepherds cooking this meal. So Emperor Jahangir was so attracted to the smell of this dish, he wanted to try it once. So that's where this dish came from to the royal kitchens of the Mughals, and then again the royal chefs did their part on it. They have tweaked it a little to make what today's Shab Deg is. So it's been 25 minutes, my curry is simmering. So I'll add the meatballs that I've already prepared. Now you can see the rogan has already left the curry. So that's a good sign that the curry is completely cooked. To finish it off, I'm doing a little bit of ginger julienne to it, couple of slit green chilies to give it a kick. As it's originated from Kashmir, I like to add a little bit of salt powder to it. So another 7-10 grams. And to finish it off, I'm adding a little bit of garam masala. So my deg looks very nice and I can smell the aroma of it. So let's now just start plating. So there you have it, my version of Shab Deg, right from the valleys of Kashmir.